What is a charge? Under the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, discuss its meaning, object, and significance. Introduction. A charge is a formal accusation made against an accused person in a criminal proceeding. It is a written statement prepared by the court specifying the offense alleged to have been committed by the accused. The charge gives the accused clear and precise information regarding the nature of the accusation so that he may prepare an effective defense. A charge is the precise formulation of a specific accusation against a person. It ensures that the accused is fully informed of the allegations at the earliest stage of the trial and is not taken by surprise during the proceedings. Legal provision. The provisions relating to charge are contained in Chapter 18 of BNS S 2023, particularly Section 234 onwards, which deals with the form, contents, and particulars of charges. Object of charge. The primary object of a charge is to inform the accused of the exact nature of the accusation against him. It enables him to understand the case he has to meet and to prepare his defense accordingly. The charge also serves the following purposes: to provide notice of the offense alleged, to ensure a fair trial, to prevent prejudice to the accused, to define the scope of the trial, to assist the court in determining the issues involved in the case. Essential features of a charge. A valid charge should possess the following characteristics. It must be in writing. It must clearly specify the offense alleged. It must contain sufficient particulars regarding the offense. It must not be vague or ambiguous. It should be framed in the language of the court. It must enable the accused to understand the accusation fully. Explanation. The framing of a charge is an important stage in a criminal trial. Once the court finds sufficient grounds for proceeding against the accused, a formal charge is framed. The accused is then informed of the charge and asked whether he pleads guilty or claims trial. A defective or vague charge may prejudice the accused and may affect the fairness of the trial. Therefore, the law requires that the charge be drafted with precision and clarity. Importance, significance. The concept of charge is fundamental to criminal jurisprudence because it safeguards the accused's right to a fair trial. It prevents arbitrary prosecution and ensures transparency in criminal proceedings. The charge acts as the foundation upon which the prosecution case is built. Conclusion. A charge is a formal written accusation informing the accused of the offense alleged against him. It plays a crucial role in ensuring fair trial by providing clear notice of the allegations and enabling the accused to prepare an effective defense.